Hello guys, how are you? My name is Will. Welcome a new member and my channel. Please subscribe and like this video. This video is related technology. This video is very interesting and don't waste the time and let's start the video. My topic is industrial robotics. Contents: fundamentals of robot technology, industrial applications and programmings, transformations, rigid motion and kinematics, robots arm dynamics, path and trajectory generations, plannings, robots control machines visual system. Robots. Fundamentals of robot technology. World Robot was coined by a Cajun novelist Carol Capek in 1920 play titled Reason Universal Robots. Robot in sketches is a world of a work servant. The term robotics was coined by Isaac Asimov in about the 1940. Robotic is a subject without sharp boundaries at various points on its periphery. It may of into fields such as artificial intelligence, automation, and remote control, so it's hard to define it consciously. Fundamental of robot technology. Define or robot. Random house dictionary. A machine that resembles a human being and does mechanical routing takes are commands. Robotics Association of America. A robot is a reprogrammable manipulators designed to move materials, parts, tools, and specializations devices through variable programming motion for the preference of variety of tasks. Oxford Dictionary. A machine resembles a human being and able to replicate certain human movements and function automatically. Fundamental of robot technology. Industrial robots. Currently, robots are a combination of manipulating, perfecting, manufacturers, and configurations abilities. Today, robots are capable of so many tasks, yet there is so much more on the horizon. A manipulators or an industrial robot is composed of a series of links connect to each other via joint. Each joint usually has a actuators, motors connected to it. Industrial robots. The term manipulator is used here to mean by device with an arm, brain, and hand or grippers. Thus, it includes both industrial robots and telecommunicators. And the industrial robot is a manipulator which automatically repeats a cycle of appears under program control. Fundamentals of robot technology. As the field of robotics repeatedly programmed, it is not necessarily a bad thing that everyone has not agreed no in a universal define for robot. Joseph Eglerbank, father of the industrial robot. I may not be able to define one, but I know one when I see one. Robot capabilities: sensing and preparing and get information from its surrounding, carry but different tasks, locomotions or manipulations, do something physical such as a move or manipulator's object, reprogrammable, can do different thing in different ways, function automatically and or internet with human being. Law of robotics: Isa Asimov proposed the following three laws of robotics. Law 1: robot may not injured an human being or through inaction allow a human being to come to harm. Law 2: robot must obey order given to it by human being, except there such order would conflict with a higher order law. Law 3: a robot must protect its own existence as long such protections does not conflict with a higher order law. And thanks this watching video. Thank you so much.